What's up everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to be installing a new part for my 10th gen. And what it's going to be is we're going to be replacing these side reflectors right here. Now these weren't supposed to come until December 15th, but it's eBay, they came early, so we're going to be installing them. Also, if you want these, I'll link them down below in the description. Now these aren't any ordinary reflectors. We're actually going to wire them up to the tail lights, the brakes, and the brake and the turn signal. And what they're going to do is when we actually when we turn on our turn signal, they're going to start lighting up downwards, and they're going to be sequential. And when we push the brake, they're going to light up red. I'm excited. Also, I'm going to go and surprise my friends later. My friend hasn't seen them. He doesn't know I have them yet. So I'm going to go do that, and hopefully I'll record that reaction as well. This and just how many packages there are inside one another. There we go. Is this it? Yep, this is it. Oh my god, these actually have some weight to them. There we go. That's what it looks like. Oh man, these are gonna look amazing. The first thing we're gonna wanna do is go ahead and go under the car and right by the bumper, and you're gonna see there's actually two screws. There's one right above this right here, this piece, and then there's one down here. We're gonna wanna remove those. And there's this little tab right here, which we're just gonna wanna push, and we're gonna wanna do the same for both sides and just completely take this entire panel out. This entire panel out has to come out. So let's get those screws done first. Now that I've taken all 4 of the screws out and kind of pushed those tabs in, I'm gonna take a flathead and a towel so not to scratch my car, and slowly just go around and pry this open. So I wasn't able to actually get these out yet. Don't use a screwdriver. Put a little bit of a scratch in there. Nothing I can't take out later. But I'm gonna make a quick trip to my local AutoZone or O'Reilly and see if they have like a plastic piece or something that will help me pull this out. AutoZone didn't have anything, so it is now time to try O'Reilly. So just got out of O'Reilly. They had this kit right here, which I think will work beautifully. So we're gonna go home and see if that actually helps pop this off. And we are back, but this time we have the tools. So let's see, I'm gonna try out this one right here, this right here, and maybe this one as well. These are plastic. They are meant for inside the upholstery. Got them from O'Reilly. Let's see if this works. See if they don't scratch anything. There you go. This piece is finally out. Took forever. What you want to do once you have this out right here, there's going to be a clip right here. You take a screwdriver, you just push it down, and this should just, there you go, that falls right out. And now you have this one. And then before I do this one, I'm going to go ahead and take apart the other side. Install the new ones. What we're going to have to do is we're going to go ahead and undo this right here and get the wires actually ready to go. And then we're just going to feed them through this. And then what we're actually going to have to do is we're going to have to open up our tail light so we can access the wires and stuff for our brake lights and stuff like that. So this hole's not going to be used anymore, I don't think. So we're just going to put it through there. A perfect fit. Okay, cool. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use reuse one of the screws, because it doesn't come with a screw, but I'm going to reuse one of the screws to actually screw back in here. So I'm just going to screw back in right there. I'm going to go ahead and remove the tail light so we can access the wires. So we're going to 2 screws on each side. So there we go. And then make sure to gently disconnect all the clips. And now we want to go ahead and feed this wire through the hole. I'm going to go ahead and take these wires and just strip a little bit more of them off so I have more wire to work with right here. Here's the wiring. The black is the ground, so you can go connect that to any black wire. And the green one goes into the black connection right here to the white side. And then the red right here goes into the blue connector. And then that goes into the white side of the blue connector. And the yellow goes ahead and goes into the green connector on the white side. And then you just do that and go ahead and do that for both sides. And it should look something like this. Oh, that looks beautiful. And then go ahead and you can just shove them in there and put the taillights back in and actually connect them in. You don't actually have to cut any of the wires. What I did was I went ahead and put it all into the lights, and I connected them properly like I showed you guys, shoved them in and stuck the lights back on. And now it's time for me to assemble everything, put all the screws back, and then let's see the final product. So it's currently nighttime and these side markers are installed. Check this out, check this out. So we have this right here, and then when we click the button, look at those. They light up sequentially. That's cool. And also when you push the brake, they actually light up faster. These are LEDs, so they light up faster than your actual brake light. So they kind of do make your car safer at the same time, which is kind of cool. Anyways, so I haven't told my friends I've gotten these. Like I said, they were supposed to come December 15th and they haven't, and they're not supposed to be here yet, but I already installed them. So I'm gonna go to one of my friend's house and just surprise him. He's not gonna know, so I'll try to record that reaction for you. What I told my friend Zane was I told him I did something to my side markers, and I said I tried to install them but didn't work out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell him, oh yeah, the side markers in the back if you wanna check them out. I'll prop the trunk and he'll just see the lights. So let's see what he says about them and his reaction. I just wanted to show you the parts. They came in, they're in the trunk. Dude, the white side markers, they look hella good.
Are they white?
Yeah, they're white.
Is my hair wet?
This is my hair wet. This is my hair wet.
Oh, you got the taillights? Oh! You're annoying. Wait, you got both? That's new, right?
I didn't get the taillights.
You got that. Isn't the taillight different too?
Taillights are the same.
You never had all these lines?
Yeah, I did.
That's sick though.
I know.
No, but this is a bigger issue.
That's not a bigger issue. It's always been like that.
Turn it on. Okay. That's new.
I love how the taillights are impressing you more than that. I didn't get new taillights.
What was here before?
Just red reflectors.
Wow!
Yeah. Check this out too.
See.
Check this out too. Hold on.
Look it.
Yeah, hold on. Check this out. Why isn't it locked? My car really just locked myself out.
Wait, do it again? Yo, it's a brake too.
I know. Alright guys, that is the full install. If you have any questions about this install, I'll be happy to answer them, and just make sure to comment it down below. I look at all my comments. Next time I'm going to be installing white side markers on my car. And yeah, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.